Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the car shuttle trains function in the IGO Navigation application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the bottom of the page on the right. And then if you scroll down, click on the settings button. And then click on the route preferences button. And at the road types section, look for the car shuttle trains button. And to turn this on, click on the white square next to it. And once it turns green, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.